Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time I'm going to do again the flip and drag technique, which is one that I like, one of the technique that I like the most, that's for sure. This time though, last time we did it with my homemade medium. Whoa, sorry, I almost fall there. But this time we're only going to use water to mix with our acrylic. I think, well, for me, since I'm not a big fan of cells, for me, I think it's going to be better, but again, it's subjective. And sometimes I have to admit that I love painting with cells. As you saw, yeah, sometimes I talk to myself a lot, and I have the feeling that I pass too much time in the studio. Well, that's something that can happen. Maybe, well, that's not bad since it's winter. Well, we're gonna live with it. So guys, anyway, we're gonna try it, and we're gonna come back at the end. We're gonna talk about it. Let's go try it. So guys, I don't know about you, but I love the result. But as you saw, for once that I did control my quantity with acrylic, it was just fine. But I did the mistake to get a bit over the edge. So I lost almost all my acrylic. It was, well, I almost didn't have enough to finish the painting. It was barely enough, but still, I think it's nice this way of doing things, because when you leave the the finish with the glide with the flip cup. The glide, I think the result is nice because you have, of course, two techniques in one, and you can see the result of both of them. So I think for that matter, I think it's nice to do it this way. It's a bit strange on the edge. It's like we did paint it with a brush, but we did put less acrylic. Anyway, listen, again, it's subjective. For me, it is very nice. Of course, what I find it strange, just in one corner, it seems to be like a cell it's creating, but like a flower, so like we did a few times before. Anyway, I think it's nice. Of course, like always, maybe you can play with the colors if you don't like it. I wanted to have something bright since the winter is almost over. It's not over until it's done, but we're getting there. So guys, I hope you enjoy. Thanks for being here. I hope you're gonna come back, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care, guys. Ciao.